Good am I? In this video, we're gonna compare Bing chat with the Google Bard. Which one is the best? Let's get into it. So right now I'm using Bing AI for my daily basis, but Bard by Google now is available for my country, which is a good news. So we're gonna see which one is the best for me. Okay, specifically for me, for YouTuber who wants to optimize their SEO, search engine optimization. But my logic here is Bard is made by Google and YouTube is Google search engine. So logically speaking, Bard will trump the AI business here, right? So I will compare it for search engine optimization, SEO. So I've written my prompts, my usual prompts to SEO. So let's say we will try to optimize this video, alright? Radio broadcaster voice. So I will use this first prompt, rewrite, boom, shift enter, and copy, paste, kaboom. Now let's see the Bing AI. Let's see who got the best result. How to get radio announcer voice in Adobe Audition. That's good. That's good. Create radio voice effect in Adobe Audition. Okay. Radio voice effect. Radio voice effect is like, you know, old telephone or radio. I mean, it's not like radio voice, but radio effects. That's different. The context is different. Make your voice sounds like radio announcer in Adobe Audition. That's good. That's good because it has radio announcer keyword here. How to sound like a radio announcer. So the keyword here is like scrambled to here and there. Radio announcer. How to create a radio voice. Radio voice. Nah, this is good. It's kind of similar to my title, radio broadcaster voice in Adobe Audition. How to create it, just like adding how to. Okay. Get radio announcer voice. This is good. The context is right. This is general title. Let's see the Bing result here. How to sound like pro on the radio with Adobe Audition. How to sound like a pro on radio. It's more like the profession here. Okay, it's to be like professional radio announcer, not like processing audio. So this is not good for the context. Adobe Audition tutorial. Get a radio broadcaster voice in minutes. This is good. And this is very YouTube. Okay, this is very YouTube title because the prompt is asking intriguing YouTube title. When you see titles in YouTube, they're like kind of clickbaity, right? In minutes, in 2 ways, 5 minutes or 2 minutes tricks, 2 minutes hacks. This is good. I think the title that Bing gave us is much better because I certainly say it's intriguing YouTube title, right? The secret to achieving radio broadcaster voice. The secret. Now that's intriguing. The secret. Okay. How to learn how to. This is good. Edit your voice like a radio broadcaster. So the keyword is radio broadcaster. But in the Bard is radio announcer. It didn't include my chosen keyword. I think the Microsoft Bing is doing a better job. I have a high hope for Bard, actually. Adobe Audition tip: how to create radio broadcaster voice for your podcast. This is good. Adobe Audition tips, brother. That's great. Master radio broadcaster voice. How to get radio broadcaster voice in Adobe Audition. A complete guide. Now we're talking. Transform your voice into radio broadcaster with Adobe Audition. So, for the context, Bing AI is better than Google Bard. For the intriguing YouTube title, the Bing AI is much better than Google Bard. But as you see on the Bard title here, Bard is experimental, right? It's very early access right now, as you see. I have a high hope for Google Bard actually because it's made by Google. Okay, YouTube is made by Google. I think Google Bard will have much better result for SEO, obviously. Next prompt, write YouTube description with the title and optimize for SEO. And I will paste this, and actually I will paste them both and then start. Okay, which one is faster? Let's see. Boom, Google Bard is much faster, I think. In this video I will show you get the radio announcer keyword again. This is a great way to make your voice sound more professional and engaging. Professional and engaging, good. This is a good keyword. Podcast keyword, this is good. Voiceover, good. Here's what you need. This is good for the YouTube description, but the steps should be in the video. Okay, Bard, Google Bard, you should know the game better because you're owned by Google. YouTube is owned by Google also. This shouldn't be in description, I think. I think this is more like for blogging, but not YouTube video. Let's see the Bing AI result. So, do you want to sound like professional broadcaster in your videos? This sounds like TubeBuddy, bro. Come on. YouTube is owned by Google, not Microsoft. Even Bing AI knows the game better. Come on. Come on, Google. Come on, Bard. You can do better than this. So, 2 points for Bing AI. Okay. Write 20 YouTube tags and separate with comma. I will start from Bing now. Okay. Let's see who's faster. Kablam! Bard is obviously faster. Let's see the result. Adobe Audition, Radio Broadcaster Voice, Voice Editing, Radio. So the sorting here is very neat. Like Adobe Audition, Radio. How to. But we don't actually typing how to in the text, right? The how to keyword is much better in description box, not in the text. Let's compare it to the Bing AI. Adobe Audition, Radio Broadcaster, Voice Editing, Voice Effect, Voice Tutorial. This is much better. Even the results is like TubeBuddy Premium, bro, but it's free. But hey, finished product versus experimental. What do you expect? Come on. Give me 10 YouTube ideas from these topics. Adobe Audition. And 3, 2, 1, boom. Come on. Google is much better search engine, I think. Yeah. How to use Adobe Audition. Adobe Audition tutorial, of course. Beginner's guide. Beginner's guide is great. Tips and trick, but this is very generic, I think. The result is kind of generic. How to record and edit podcasts. Bro! Bing AI is much better. And it shows Mike Russell video. For reference, Mike Russell, my idol. Come on, man. Okay. So, a 4 point for Bing AI. Give me 10 trending topics. Let's try trending topics. Trend jacking. Obviously, we use Google Trends, right? So, Google should win this. Google should win. Come on. Okay. Audiovisual. Google Trends. Come on. Give me a good result. Huh? Virtual reality? VR? 360 videos? No. That's not hard in YouTube right now. Sound editing. This is very generic result. Very generic results. Top audio visual trends to explore. So this is good result. And we just need to click this link. Emerging AV trends to watch. Okay, this obviously we should learn more with these links. The future audiovisual video trends. I can't say which one is better right now. I think Google will win this round because Google Trends. Everybody using Google Trends. Alright then. Hashtag. Which one give me better hashtag? Boom. Okay, hashtag, come on. Audiovisual, AV tech, AV production. That's generic. That's generic. This is also generic. They're both producing very, very generic result. But so far, I think Microsoft Bing is much better than Google Bard right now, because Google Bard is still in experimental, okay, in experiment mode. Bing AI is a finished product. Let's see what futures bring us. I have a high hope for Google Bard. So if you guys have any question, drop your comment below and I'll see you in the next one.